Grand Rising, Divine Collective. I grabbed some cards from the back of my shelf. These cards really don't get a lot of attention, Divine Collective, so I kind of just grabbed a stack here to see what kind of messages we could get out of these cards. I need to switch up my cards and put the ones that are in the back in front, and you know, I shuffle them constantly, Divine Collective, but I noticed that these ones were kind of hiding, so let's see what that's all about, okay? You're happy. You're showing up as very happy that something is over, Divine Collective. This card says, I'm happy that it's over, okay? And someone wants to give you a hard time now. You hear these animals fighting in the background. Someone's angry. They want to argue. They want to fight, Divine Collective. They want to give you a hard time. This is a real insecure energy here. You know, they don't like that you're happy that this is over, Divine Collective. Whoever this is, they're taking this very personal when this is, in fact, not personal at all. This is spiritual, okay? Not personal. But they want to give you a hard time, okay? I do see that you have someone defending you, Divine Collective. Someone here is defending your name because someone has a temper. Yeah, anger, angry. Someone's angry. They have a bad temper. I just got a vision of a picture that my nanny had on the wall as a child. It was footprints in the sand, Divine Collective. And I'm hearing, you'll find my footprints in the sand. You'll find my footprints in the sand. I haven't read this in a long time, but bottom line is, when you're feeling all alone, Divine Collective, in this specific picture, there's someone walking in the sand, okay, and there's two sets of footprints, which would be their footprints. But when they looked down, they felt all alone. But when they looked down, they actually seen four sets of footprints. But there was no other person there, okay? And that is telling you that God is always walking with you, carrying you, beside you, Divine Collective. You are never alone. You'll always, always be able to find God's footprints in the sand, okay? I heard karmic judge. There's a karmic judge here, Divine Collective. Someone who's looked at as very wishy-washy, possibly. This has to do with a marriage. The Hierophant is here. I'm getting a lot of, this isn't personal, this is spiritual. Spirit keeps saying that, Divine Collective. Your manifestations are within reach. I'm getting peace and harmony. So you have someone here who is now binded to a karmic contract, okay? Because this is the choice that they made, Divine Collective. They made the choice to be binded to this karmic contract, okay? By making the choice to stay in the karmic loop that they are in, Divine Collective. That is why they are now binded. And you have been set free. Okay, so whoever this is from your past, maybe you were married to this person, this contract is now null and void. There is no contract between you and this person. And this person is very angry about that. They're angry that you get to be happy, Divine Collective, that you get to move forward, and that they're binded into some type of karmic contract, okay? This is a cheater. This is a cheater, Divine Collective. Non-committal energy, Spirit is telling me, okay? Someone is doing something pertaining to your heart, Divine Collective, possibly praying that you have some type of heart issue here, attacking your heart health, heart attack possibly, Divine Collective. Someone's being very cautious. They're standing back watching, waiting for the perfect time to kind of approach you here. I feel like someone regrets what happened. I do feel like someone has been defending you and your name, Divine Collective, and someone regrets what happened, the part that they played in this situation. But there's this need to tell you to be very cautious with this person, okay? Protect your territory. Someone wants to cause you chaos, Divine Collective. Spirit is saying there's chaos somewhere, but you're focused elsewhere. As long as you stay focused, Divine Collective, and in your high vibration, you'll be fine. You're being protected from people who are strategizing against you. That's why I feel the need to say, be cautious with whoever this is, that they're feeling some type of regret, Divine Collective. But I am also picking up on strategy, because that last card said waiting around. And when I read waiting around, it was in a way where I felt like someone was strategizing. Not like they were just waiting to give you time or, you know, anything like that. I feel like someone is strategizing, Divine Collective. Spirit says they're all shocked that you've accomplished your goals. They're shocked. They're all in a tower as well. You dodged a tower, Divine Collective. Continue moving forward. Oh, this is a hard card to see. This card says spit on you for disciplining your child. And as most of you know, my throat chakra is going out. most of you know these cards, every single one of these cards connects to something that has went on in my life, okay? And everything on these cards, they mean so much that they're actually on the card, that they turned into a download, Divine Collective. So this card, I've never even pulled this since I've wrote this Divine Collective, so I know Spirit is telling me to heal. This is something that really, really broke my heart as a mother, Divine Collective, that I actually forgot about, but there was a situation, and I don't want to hear any type of, you know, bad comments on this. We're all karmic in someone's story, Divine Collective. I'm not mad at no one. I don't hold any ill feelings towards anyone. We all have to grow up, right? There's things we have to heal and grow from. So, I don't want to hear anybody bad talking, okay? But there was a part in my marriage where my son had stolen out of my purse. He was just a baby, a couple of dollars, but I had known that and he had lied to me. So I had acted. I didn't know how to, you know, I wasn't the disciplinarian, Divine Collective. I didn't really know how to handle a situation like that. So I thought I was going to scare him. And I had pulled over on the side of the road and I was like, well, since you're going to be a thief, you can't stay with me. And I was like, you're going to have to get out. He was little. I obviously wasn't going to put him out. I was just trying to scare him. I didn't know what else to do, Divine Collective. This was my firstborn. But he was old enough to go home and tell his dad, right? So I didn't think nothing of it. I didn't think I had done anything wrong. I didn't want my kid to be a thief. So he went home, and I don't think he did it to try to get me in trouble, but he was talking, and it had came out that I had did that. And I remember I was laying on the bed, and their father came through there, and because I had said that, I could see the anger in his face. He was so mad. And I was laying on the bed, and I remember he just spit Kool-Aid all over me. And again, Divine Collective, I don't say these things to put him in a negative light. I say these things because I'm healing. Okay? And this is what I need to do to heal. But I'm not mad. I don't hold him to these things that he's done. I've forgiven him, okay? But yeah, I'm picking up on a situation where someone here is just very abusive. Maybe they spit on you, Divine Collective. I'm actually getting the vision of someone here getting drunk and then being very belligerent and spitting their beer or whatever it is that they're drinking on you, Divine Collective. Whatever the case may be, Spirit is taking me back to this. So maybe it is a lot of you need to heal through a memory such as this that you're kind of pushing off into the background, Divine Collective. Because this is something that I had to heal from. This hurt me so bad, not only as a mother, but as a woman. It broke me down. Just to know that the person that, you know, I shared my life with could do something like that, Divine Collective. Now, mind you, I guess I could have understood if we were in a bad place, but we weren't, right? Like, we weren't. He just flipped. All right. So that's what I'm getting. I heard the karmic is pregnant. Someone's angry, but they're not angry at you, Divine Collective. Someone is angry at themselves because they got a karmic here pregnant.